If you want rich and richness, if you want barakah in your life, if you want hidayah in Islam, if you want self-sufficiency, so read one dua that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam teach us. That dua is this: Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda wat-tuqa wal-afafa wal-ghina. I repeat this dua: Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda wat-tuqa wal-afafa wal-ghina. Allahumma, Ya Allah, inni indeed I as'aluka, ask you, inni as'aluka huda, guidance in Islam, wat-tuqa, and piety, wal-afafa, and chastity, saving your private part, wat-tuqa, and self-sufficiency, and rich and richness. Dear my brother and sister, if you recite this dua after the salah 5 times, Allah Almighty will give for you hidayah in Islam. Allah Almighty will give for you increase in wealth. Allah Almighty will give for you al-afaf chastity. Allah Almighty will give for you piety. Allah Almighty will give for you self-sufficiency and rich and richness. There, my brother and sister, I want to share another one dua that the Prophet Muhammad sallam teach us. If you recite this dua, Allah Almighty will save you from the punishment of the grave, and Allah Almighty save you from poverty, and Allah Almighty will give, and Allah Almighty will save you from disbeliever. That dua is this: Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal faqri wal kufri wa a'udhu bika min adhabil qabri. La ilaha illa ant. Allahumma, Ya Allah, inni, indeed I, a'udhu bika, I seek refuge in you, minal faqri, from poverty, wal kufri, from disbeliever, wa a'udhu bika, and I seek refuge in you, min adhabil qabri, from the punishment of the grave. La ilaha illa ant. This dua, if you recite after the salah 5 times, Allah Almighty will save you from the punishment of grave. Allah Almighty will save you from poverty, insha'Allah ta'ala. There, my brother and sister, Ya Allah, forgive me. Ya Allah, forgive my brother, my sister, my viewers. Ya Allah, forgive my parents. Ya Allah, tawfiq. Ya Allah, give us tawfiq to tasbih, to dua. Amin. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.